guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne and we're going to show you guys how to remove and replace battery on that thing. It's been sitting at the shop for quite a while now. We bought it from a car auction, okay, with a dead battery, so we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove and replace that battery. This is the new replacement one. The original battery is under that seat, so stay with us. That's what we'll be doing today. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos taking this whole SUV apart. We'll have anything from bodywork, electrical, mechanical, so please subscribe to the channel. And if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below and we'll try to make a video for you. So let's start on it now. So our battery is completely dead, like absolutely no juice, so we'll need to move the seat back and forth, and what we'll be using is that powerful jump starter. That thing even starts at 4.5 V8, but we need to go ahead and use it so we can just have enough power to move the seat back and forth so we can access the battery. Okay, let us show you now. I'll probably need, I don't need a key. So we'll need to move it to the back first, okay, and we need to get the carpets out of the way. So I'll just get the carpets out of the way, okay, both of them. And here you can see, okay, we have those plastic covers here. So we'll need to go ahead, pull those out. Okay, this one has a clip that's broken, somebody broke it in the past. Okay, and here there is one more cap. Okay, we'll remove this one as well. So right now here we have a bolt with a triple square. Okay, that triple square guys, all the tools and parts, okay, including the battery, we'll have them listed in the description of the video below, so you can check it out for more information. This is called a triple square M10 socket. So it just goes, okay, right here. And we'll need to go ahead and get this one loose. Once they start going, usually we use the impact. Okay, this is the bolt. That's what it looks like. Now there is one identical to this one, okay, on this side. Okay, this one's pretty tight, especially with that extension there. Perfect. We can pull this one as well. Now we need to connect our jump starter again, and we will need to move the seat to the front a little bit. That way, okay, we can reach the battery, and I'll show you why. Okay, let's connect our jump starter now. Okay, we have power now. Okay, we'll go like that. You need to move your steering wheel all the way up and compress it in. Okay, and now if you grab your seat, you will be able to tilt it back, but in our case we can move it a little bit more. Okay, like that. So sometimes those plastics on the back will get caught. Okay, that's on the back side of the seat, so those you just slide them out of here. Okay, like that. Okay, let's see if the seat will actually go down more now. Okay, perfect. All the way laying down on the back seat. Okay, and that's where the box is located now. And we found some money there as well. Okay, let's see what kind of build that is. 10 bucks. That's a price for the mechanic, I guess. Okay, oh, there is something else. You never know what you're gonna find under the seat. Oh, the cigarette lighter. It's not a good surprise. So, if you need the seat to go more down, okay, you can move the back of the seat, okay, like that, and you will gain more room for the battery now. You can see how much more room we have now. So here, those clips, okay, we'll need to open those to on the front side, you can see, okay, like that. And let's see if that cover will come out. Okay, you have to gently, okay, situate it out of the way like that. And this is the battery here, guys. And you can see that support, it's supposed to be, I think, bolted here so it holds the battery not to slide forward. And this one wasn't installed, so we'll show you how to install it in a minute. We need to start taking things apart. Now, right here, this is where you have the battery mount that we need to remove. I believe it's 10mm. Let me double check that. Okay, yep, it's a 10mm socket there. So we'll need to disconnect the negative cable first. Okay, by disconnecting the negative you always avoid situations like if you touch the positive somewhere, you're not going to shorten things out. Even if something happens for some reason, we have a video that explains how to fix that, and hopefully your computer didn't burn. So remove the negative first, and after that remove the positive. Next we'll need to remove the battery mount. Okay, and this guy is stuck there. Okay, finally started coming out. Now this is the battery mount is the one with a 10mm socket. Okay, comes out like that. Now we gently need to grab the battery, okay, and pull that thing out of there. Okay, so that thing is heavy, believe me, it's a really heavy battery. Okay, and this one is out of the car, as you can see. So we get a new battery now. Okay, that's one heavy monster. And we're going to get it in. Okay, I need to get the negative cable out of the way. Okay, like that. And I'll try to install that mount now. Okay, this one here, let me find a bolt for it. Okay, to see exactly where it's going to sit now, we need to situate it. So you need to install it at vent holes, and I'll recommend to use gloves when working around the battery compartment, because that acid can severely burn your skin. So this is, okay, that hose needs to be installed so you don't breathe that stuff in the cabin. Okay, perfect. Now you need to slide it all the way. You can see that canal there. It's gonna go in the canal, and after that, okay, we need to install that bracket here. It's going to keep it down that way. This is the one that wasn't installed last time. Okay, and after that we need to install the big one here. Okay, this one will take a while. Let me get the extension so I can get it perfect. Okay, now always make sure that the battery cannot move anywhere at all. Okay, always have to do that. After that, we need to go ahead, okay, and connect the positive cable first. Okay, you have to make sure you see the positive here matches with the positive on the battery. Otherwise it's not a good thing. No, this one doesn't want to go in all the way. So we need to move it a little bit. Okay, let me get something to spread the clamp here a little bit. So I'll just spread the clamp a little bit with a screwdriver to help it. Okay, so it can go down. Okay, let me tap on it. Okay, perfect. Now we need to get this one tight now with the 10mm socket. Okay, now the negative one, same thing. Okay, this one went easy. Okay, this one will be the last one, and then after that we'll be using a battery corrosion spray. Okay, let me get it quick. This one right here. All the tools and parts again, guys, will be listed in the description of the video below. Okay, so we are going to spray the terminals. Okay, you can use that on many cars. Leave the doors open for a while because it kind of like smells like paint. So you want to make sure that that smell is not stuck in your car, because it could give you a headache or something. Okay, and now we can go ahead and install our cover here. Okay, this is all the way in. You have to make sure that it's in so you don't get any battery gas inside. Okay, and last step will be, guys, just to put the seat down and install the two bolts. But let's go ahead and see if it's going to fire right up now. Okay, so this is it, moment of the truth. Fired right up. Let me give it one more try. Okay, perfect. So you can see, guys, that's how you replace the battery. Don't forget to install the two bolts on your seat. Get those tight, that's very important. So thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos, guys, and see you next time.